Who can join Monese? Unveiling the Monese family. Intro. Upbeat, energetic music. Have you ever dreamt of a bank account that fits your life, not the other way around? Imagine a hassle-free experience, one that lets you manage your money anywhere in the world, without the crazy fees. Well, hold on to your hats, because that's exactly what Monese is all about. But before we jump in head first, let's address the elephant in the room. Who exactly is Monese for? Is it for the jet-setting millionaire, the backpacking adventurer, or maybe the local freelancer trying to navigate the gig economy? Cut to explainer video with simple animations. Who is Monese perfect for? Monese isn't just for one kind of person, it's designed for a global family of people who share a common thread. They want a smarter way to manage their money. Here are some of the groups that might find Monese particularly useful. The frequent traveler. Do you have a case of wanderlust? Maybe you work remotely or crave new experiences. Monese eliminates the worry of hefty foreign transaction fees. Spend like a local with your Monese card, saving you money on every adventure. The international freelancer. The gig economy is booming, and freelancers everywhere are taking control of their careers. Monese makes getting paid internationally a breeze. Say goodbye to waiting weeks for bank transfers and hidden charges. With Monese, you get paid quickly and securely, wherever you are in the world. The new-to-a-country expat. Moving to a new country is exciting, but dealing with opening a bank account can be a real headache. Monese cuts through the red tape. Sign up quickly and easily online, and start managing your money from day one. The budget conscious. We all want to save some money, right? Monese helps you stay on top of your finances with budgeting tools and clear spending breakdowns. No more nasty surprises at the end of the month. The financially savvy. Maybe you're a bit of a money whiz, always looking for new ways to optimize your finances. Monese offers features like instant notifications and spending categorization, giving you complete control over your money. But wait, there's more. This isn't an exhaustive list by any means. Monese can be a great fit for anyone who wants a simple, convenient, and affordable way to manage their money. Students, young professionals, families, you name it. As long as you're 18 or over and have a valid form of ID, you can join the Monese family. So, are you ready to ditch the old way of banking and join a new financial revolution? With Monese, you can send, spend, save, and manage your money from anywhere in the world. It's a smarter way to bank, designed for a global generation. Head over to the Monese website or download the app today to see if Monese is right for you. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what features you love most about Monese. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.